Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I ngasi videos the information ama share tawgena semba video ni. So kaino haragadi Manipur Legislative Assembly gi recruitment khara kauriba. So particular sigi recruitment sigi eligibility criteria kai kaino and total vacancy kyano and form fill up kam kande haraga last date kam kano haibadu hafet khungmina se. So particular sigi kauriba recruitment sigi post se driver ne, mali ne, sweeper ne, aduga MTS ke ne ba kauri se ko. Ado driver se magi vacancy 17 ni lai se driver gi ko 17 sida unreserved ki oina mi tara schedule tribe ki oina mi manga OBC mi tai gi oina mi ani ne ba adaga driver ki pay scale se 5200 tegina 20200 and GP na 1900 level 3 gi recruitment ni group 3 gi ko drivers na group 3 gi ne and essential qualifications in a particular candidate say class 10 pass oigadaba aduga driving license laigadami with at least sahi ahungi experience laigadaba ko and must say sober habit laigadaba aduga sound health and good eyesight healthy and mid quality kind of fazana haidi eye problem laitaba adu oigadamne ko magi eyesight say good oigadame good and healthy oigadamne ko and desirable say knowledge of motor mechanic ki matang da desirable hoy aduga knowledge of Hindi English and Manipuri haiba asise desirable ni but it's not mandatory niko mandatory di nate desirable niko adu sigumba yaura aga de sigumba candidate sin di hena pam doi ne ba so magi driver gi oina vacancy se 17 ni 17 sin da unreserved tara ne ba ko then mathang dana mali se mali 18 ni vacancy se 18 sida magi unreserved ki oina tara schedule tribe ki manga OBC mitai gi ahum ne aduga magi pay scale sina ne 4440 tegina 7440 ne ba aduga GP 1650 pay level 1 gi recruitment ni group 4 gi oidoi ni ko mali sina and magi essential qualifications sina class 10 pass oigadaba SSLC pass oigadab ne ba ko and sigi sisu magi knowledge of Manipuri English and Hindi se knowledge laigadabani and gardening ki matang da practical knowledge laigadaba so unreserved ki oina tara schedule tribe ki manga obviously gi ahum ne aduga sweeper 24 ni ka oise ko sweeper sigi pay levels na 4440 tegina 7440 ni GP is na 1650 and level 1 gi recruitment ko asisu group 4 gini and magi essential qualifications na class 10 pass hoigadaba SSLC pass hoigadaba and desirable na knowledge of English Manipuri and Hindi se desirable ni and 24 sidagi 13 amadi unreserved ni unreserved kini aduga 17 amana schedule tribe kini OBC mitai na ahum ni OBC mitai pangan na amane bako aduga mathang dana 19 MTS kini kawise magi pay levels na 4440 regina 7440 ni and GP rupees na 1650 and level 1 gini group 4 gi post ne bako sige sa and sige so class 10 pass oigadaba and desirable dana knowledge of English Manipuri and Hindi sa desirable ne ba and sige 19 sidagi 11 amadi unreserved ni manga amana schedule tribe ki OBC mitai gina ahum ne bako so particular sigi vacancy and sigi post ki sini kaurise Manipur Legislative Assembly gi ni ko kaurise and magi chahi limit se particular candidate se 38 years and below oigadaba 38 ki makha oigadab ne bako ado 38 hen ke darga so as part of reservation policy ki matungina schedule caste schedule tribe ki chahi manga relax tawgani OBC ki chahi ahum relax tawgani bako akhoi ge dum upper age relaxation ki government gi rule gi matungina dum chahi relax tawe bako and term and condition khar supiri and sigi form gi maman se form se kaino dagi laugo doini khoi gi Manipur Legislative Assembly Secretary te chatlaga lobi ga doini ko khoi chingmai rong da leibodo form dawba matam da lupa chawnga lawgani lupa chawnga sina unreserved ko OBC gi gani aduga lupa chahum na schedule caste and schedule tribe ki candidate ki oidoine boko adu form lawbagi matam sina date 27 lagliba date 27 sidagina date 30 fauda form lawbi gadabani adu form se lawra matungda fill up lawra matungda na submit tawdoi sa date 1 June dagina 3 June fauda office awardda office da chatlaga mafam sida adum Manipur Legislative Assembly Secretary se asigi sida form submit tawbi kadabane bako. So form lawbagi maman sina matam sina date 27 dagi horaga date 30 for the form lawbi kadabani, and form gi maman se unreserved and OBC candidate ki lupa changa, schedule caste schedule tribe ki lupa chahum, ado form se lawra matungda fill up tawra matungda June gi date 1 dagi na June gi date 3 for the form submit tawbi kadabani Manipur Legislative Assembly sida chatlaga ko. Alaga khuygi admit card written test interview gi notice pudi adum kona notify tawrakani han hai ko. And particular candidates singsa scheme of examination gi oina na direct recruitment gi khuygi group 3 and group 4 gi post as part of state government gi syllabus leibado and scheme of examination oibado adu gi base tawdoine. Details information khangning bataragadi office ta chatpiraga office hour gi dum lobirasu yani ko. Aduga sida point amasu piri upper age limit se relaxation laiganeba particular candidate se khoigi assembly secretariat or natraga government department or organization or institution sida magi experience laiba taragadi khoigi chahi relaxation se upper age se relax tawgani aina point ama piribako. So sigi makha taba details kai akupa marun khangning bataradi office award chatpiraga dum office tagi dum lobirasu yani ko. So river recruitment se sigi vacancy sigi ni akoigi driver gi 17 mali gi 18 sweeper gi 24 aduga MTS gi 19 ko. And then chahi limit sina upper age 38 years phone the form lawgadawrisina form se offline lawdoini Manipur Legislative Assembly Secretary ta chatpiraga khoigi date 27 dina date 30 for the form issue tawgani aduga form submit tawdorisina June gi date 1 dagina June gi date 3 for the form submit tawdoine bako adu form gi mamansi OBC and unreserved ki 500 aduga schedule caste schedule tribe ki lupa chahum ne bako. So interested oiba candidate laitaraga di adum si try tawsan bibiyay ko. So sige information sini share tawgina se mise. Thank you.